Today I'm going to show you how to pin the Downloads button in Google Chrome so it stays right next to your address bar for quick access anytime. This is a simple Chrome customization trick, but it can make browsing a lot more convenient, especially if you download files often and want to open your downloads history faster. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the 3 vertical dots. This is the main menu for Chrome, and it gives you access to all of the browser's settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. When the Settings page opens, look for the Appearance section and click on it. This is where Chrome keeps options for changing how the browser looks and which buttons appear on the toolbar. Inside Appearance, find the option that says Customize your toolbar and click it. Chrome will now show you a list of toolbar buttons that you can turn on or off. Scroll through the list until you find Downloads. Once you see it, switch it on. As soon as you do that, the down arrow Downloads icon will appear next to your address bar and stay there permanently, just like in Microsoft Edge. That means you can click at any time to quickly open your recent downloads without going back into menus or opening a separate page. If you ever want to remove it later, just come back to the same toolbar settings and turn Downloads off again. And that's it. You've successfully pinned the Downloads button in Chrome. A tiny change, but a really useful one if you want a cleaner, more efficient browser setup. If this tutorial helped, please like this video and subscribe for more easy Chrome tips, browser shortcuts, and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.